somewhat haggard. What the hell is this?
Guys, here we are. Jesse's on the road. We got the trailer hooked up. We're going somewhere, hopefully fun. We'll see. No, we're actually going to get another machine for a member that rides with us, my buddy Kristian. As you guys have watched in our Aspen series, he ended up wrecking his machine, and they actually deemed it a total loss. So, well, might as well go get another machine, right? It's part of the hobby. So if you guys haven't watched this series, by the way, go back and check it out. It was a fun one. Got everybody broken. First ride of the year for most of the group. So yeah, it was a fun trip though. We ended it with a banger, literally. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up a new machine for him. He had a 24 Turbo R Sport, just like Jeremy's, identical. So I guess he thought that was bad luck, so he's gonna switch it up on us now. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go see. It might be a Mav R. Let's go, Can-Am. Hell, it could be a Kawasaki, I mean, if you want to go slow, you might as well get a Kawasaki. Could be one of those, what is that, Segway Villains, man. I've been looking at those. Those things are pretty sweet. I mean, the 7-speed sequential transmission. I'm waiting for Polaris to come out with something like that. So we'll see though. We'll throw you guys in a time lapse. When we get there, we'll go over the machine, probably go for a little test cruise, test her out, show you guys what it is, because it is a brand new 2025 model. So all right, catch you on the road.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the noose, and in my mind all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. I agree, but you did it and I hate her. You wanna get away, you better get in line.
All right, here we are, Attic Motorsports.
Trying to get the new ride.
See what he's getting. Yeah, a lot of Polaris is here. Where are all their Can-Ams at?
Got tucked over there.
They need to get those freaking Segways, man.
The Segways are nice.
All right, well, he has to go do paperwork. We're gonna get his new machine and probably take it for a little test ride while we're here.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so this is the new machine that he decided to switch over to the wild side.
You got me f***ed up.
I'm just kidding. So, was this 25 Pro S? So it's basically the Turbo R. So Turbo R, but they renamed it Pro S.
And it's basically just plastics that's been changed.
Yeah.
Plastics, the rear end, like Jesse said, looks a little bit more boxy. Got the vents in the front.
Got some cooler wheels on this. This is just a sport model. I don't know if the Ultimates do come with beadlocks. I know the Turbo Rs do.
I don't believe on the Pro S models.
Yeah. So the seats, that's one of the best things he already complimented, is the seats are way better in these machines. It actually does give you more rider forward position too, rather than the other ones were
higher too. You can sit over.
So other than that, yeah, they were. So it is dirty. They were gonna wash it. We came early. This is Badlands, Attica, so we're gonna ride anyway.
You got to. You can't pick up a new machine and not take her out.
Yeah, man. So it still is clean though. Clean's where it needs to be, right? There we go. Well, we still got to do, well, he has to do the paperwork. I'm just here to record and drive him around. So we're gonna do the paperwork, mount a GoPro, and hopefully we don't get stuck or flip this one. They still do have the shitty tires though.
Yeah.
So, oh well.
We'll get off something.
Oh well. You excited about your upgrade?
Oh yeah. Couldn't sleep.
Couldn't sleep. I like the way they look.
Couldn't work.
So does this have the vents too? So
yeah.
It does have these air dams. Oh yeah, so you got your foot vents. Nice. So even the Sport, they do got the vents. Very nice machine.
This model's got the fang lights, I think they're called, right? Instead of the...
Yeah, you can put the fangs on. You have to buy those.
Much later.
This thing's still like a virgin.
Yeah.
Touch for the very first time.
La 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 la. You want me to get an action shot of this? Well, let's do this and then I'll get out. And I'll get you with my phone. Shit's fucking rough.
God damn.
Exhaust we're gonna modify and put on this.
Sounds like that. Definitely feel that difference though in going through loops.
Yeah. Oh. I think got an accident or what? I think we had a little accident.
Oops, my bad.
So after that, came back on the dirt bike, he took back off, and I forgot to record, so, oh well. I mean, I'm pretty sure I am wearing the Can-Am Crew Mud Metal Off-Road hoodie, so I can
Take it all in. I'm getting it from the side, the front.
I know, dude. We're gonna have to look at flares, see what dude just ordered, because this is crazy. I know he was saying the same thing in Tennessee with his Pro R, and I'm like, just because how wide they are.
Good. My first time.
Yeah. If you like taking shots to the, face, don't add no
Highly
fender
recommend.
flares.
Pro S gets it.
Don't worry about my face.
It's not making it as pretty as mine.
Oh, easy, buddy. Oh. Back up a little. Trailing arms. You're not going anywhere. You have to back up. All right, start. Oh, wow, this is back. Isn't it crazy how this stuff don't feel as steep either?
Yeah, it didn't at all.
Might have to give her a little bit more goose. Yep, you got to get used to that.
Yep.
Those are your trailing arms. So that's why I went upgraded. That's the 4-seat life.
Yeah, that was nuts.
Alright. We can head back to the other side of the park and hit another trail.
Oh, I like that.
Well, take the poopy holes. do it high, but you might as well be easier on the belt. As we're trying, we're supposed to be breaking it in right now, not breaking it, you know.
I don't know. This looked like it was cut off.
No, keep going. Go around it.
No, fuck, this dropped off, Jesse.
What?
I'm pretty sure it drops off.
No, I think they're making it. You want me to go check it? I'll record you.
Let's see.
Well, hang on. No, this is the green trail. We don't take green trails. We take the black.
Let's see.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
No, you're good. Yeah, keep. Oh, there you go.
There we are.
Let's go real slow over these.
Yeah.
I definitely love the way these seats fit. I feel like you can see way more out of it, the way these seats are.
That's another thing I like. The view is way better.
Yeah. So is the water throwing, but you know, you gotta take the negatives with the positives or whatever. I think that's probably the only downfall.
So far, yeah, that's the only thing I'm picking up.
It rides good. It don't quite have a iPhone XL holder.
No.
You can do whatever. You gotta take this way, take that way. See, stuff like that feels a lot better.
Yeah.
You know, like that side, it just held it up. You know, that was a foot and a half taller than my side, but you don't even feel it. Oh, you should have went up there. You still can. I like the solid shifting of this.
Yeah, it feels way better.
Like, well, with my Pro R, it's like a big old sloppy because I got two levers.
Like, honestly, you want to feel it, dude. It feels.
Yeah. Yeah, so like the Pro R, it's like dual like shifting cables.
Yeah.
So so it's a big old sloppy.
You know, stop it, stop it.
I got a switch in my head, I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red, now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said, I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget, so now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble,
Well, we forgot to do an outro at the park, so we came to this fine establishment they call Taco Bell.
Finest Mexican cuisine.
Yeah, you know, from a Mexican, get the Mexican. Well, what'd you think? First initial ride. Obviously, we got some dirt on it.
First initial ride, I was a little hesitant. Thought it was maybe not as ballsy as a Turbo R, but after riding it, getting it, you know, warmed up some, it started to feel like the old machine.
Yeah, I think it was a little bit of a dog on takeoff.
Yep.
Once it like broke in, it's kind of opened up a little bit more.
It was
Ride. What about the ride quality compared to the 2-seat?
night and day difference.
Also, the seats in that thing are amazing. They are like more rider forward.
Yep.
So they put you up, you see a lot more out of it. I noticed that. It definitely needs some fender guards. These things do. We had to go wash our faces but
We had to take a little bird bath in the Taco Bell.
yeah. Well, that's about it.